remove the door panel, there's these little things. So you push it in, and you just you have that there, you have one right here, you have one right here, one right there. In the box there's a screw. There's a little screw, and then there's a screw right here. And you just pop from here. Or should come out. Pull that out. This piece pops right out. This one pops out. So you just pry it behind, pops out. And I think the door should come out. If you guys ever want to know how to remove this mirror, you basically have to break these two tabs off and then break this tab, because I don't know if you can see it here, but it basically hinges on this. That thing, it doesn't slide off at all. Like, no matter how much I try to slide it up, there was no possible way to do it. Eventually it just kind of, as I was prying up and popping it out, every single tab broke. So I don't know. I don't know if it was meant to come out. But essentially, if you wanted to finesse this piece off, you basically had to slide it up this way along this track somehow. But this thing goes over here, and I don't know what the strategy is. I got the OEM mirror off. I'm in the process of installing these Kabuki mirrors. Got the blue lens. This one comes with a Sedan adapter. And the adapter, yeah, so the adapter looks like this. And you basically take the bolts that came in the mirror. There's these bolts that come in the mirror. And then you mount your adapter to it. And then you move this, and this would align right here, and then you put your bolts through it. It comes with some instructions in Japanese. Essentially, it comes with this extra piece. Cut this in half vertically, and then clean this area, and then run. I'm basically just going to run it. It's just a sealant. And then the wiring is green to what? White to... This wiring diagram doesn't make sense. Gray. I guess I'm just going to have to figure out what this means. Cut this in half. I ran it all the edges, making cuts at all the corners, so I can just, it's not the best, but it should work. And then make sure you run this through the hole, tighten this. This is 8mm, so you can't get you actually need a little wrench to tighten this one, because it's right underneath this piece. Let me see it. It actually hits it, so you need a little wrench. But once I get it in, I'm gonna have to figure out how to wire this up. It comes with a extra plug that fits perfectly in here, but it only has 3 wires, and this thing has 6 wires. So I don't know which one goes to which, because the wiring diagram doesn't actually tell me, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. The bracket and the screws, everything lines up, fits perfectly. This goes through just fine, plenty of wiring there. That's what the mirror looks like. It's got the flex and everything, just like the Rogano doors. So cool, blue tinted lens. I know it looks like shit right now, but give it time. Give it some time. Alright, so this is how you wire it up. Green goes to the red and white stripe wire. Gray goes to the green one. And white goes to the yellow one. And then nothing goes on the other three. So that's it. I'm just making this plug. Just gonna go green, gray, and white, shoving it in. And I think this part folds up and then you push down and then you should lock it in. In. And down, up, works. Yep, so here's the connection. Quick update on the passenger side door. You basically pop this piece out. So you just kind of pry it around it, it pops out. And then you can get access to these screws over here that's holding it in. And then obviously you pop these pieces.